Today, I am reviewing the Lenovo Legion 5. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let us start with the raw internal specifications, because Lenovo did not cut any corners under the hood. Powering this machine is the monster Intel Core i9 14th generation 14900HX processor. This is a top-tier, enthusiast-grade central processing unit featuring a massive 24-core layout. Lenovo has paired this flagship processor with the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop graphics card, featuring 8GB of next-generation GDDR7 video memory. To eliminate any potential bottlenecks, the laptop comes loaded with a massive 32GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MHz in a dual-channel configuration. When you put these components to work, the real-world performance is nothing short of incredible. I tested this hardware setup across a variety of modern, graphically demanding games. Thanks to the updated architecture of the RTX 5070 and the sheer multi-threaded brute force of the Core i9 processor, frame rates are exceptionally high and perfectly smooth. When playing modern titles with ray tracing maxed out, the dedicated ray tracing cores handle real-time lighting and shadows beautifully. For serious productivity like multi-track video editing, three-dimensional modeling, or running several virtual machines simultaneously, having 32GB of fast system memory means you'll never experience system stutter or out-of-memory errors. The processing power handles heavy background rendering effortlessly while you keep working on your primary tasks. While the internal specifications are highly impressive, the absolute crown jewel of this laptop is the 15.1-inch display. Lenovo has fitted this model with a breathtaking WQXGA OLED panel featuring a 16:10 aspect ratio and a smooth 165 Hz refresh rate. Moving to an OLED screen completely changes your visual experience. Because each individual pixel emits its own light, you get true perfect blacks and a near-infinite contrast ratio. The colors are incredibly deep and punchy, offering full professional-grade color accuracy that is ideal for creators who need precise color reproduction for video or photography work. The resolution is incredibly sharp for a 15-inch size, and when you jump into competitive gaming, the near-instantaneous pixel response times of the OLED panel combined with the 165 Hz refresh rate eliminate all motion blur, giving you pristine clarity during fast-paced movement. To manage all of this high-wattage hardware inside a relatively slim frame, Lenovo implemented their advanced Coldfront cooling technology. The dual high airflow fan setup pulls fresh air through ventilation grills on the bottom and exhausts hot air efficiently out of the rear thermal shelf. You can cycle through different performance presets instantly using simple keyboard commands to choose between quiet, balanced, and maximum performance modes. During extended gaming marathons, the thermal system does a phenomenal job of keeping the core components running stable without thermal throttling. The areas where your hands naturally rest, like the palm rests and the main typing zone, stay remarkably cool to the touch. The fans do ramp up and become audible when you are pushing the hardware to its absolute limit, but the sound profile is engineered as a consistent, muffled rush of air rather than a high-pitched whine. Storage is handled by a 1TB PCIe Generation 4 NVMe solid-state drive. This high-speed drive delivers incredibly fast sequential read and write speeds, meaning the pre-installed Windows 11 home operating system boots up within seconds, and large modern games load almost instantly. From a design and build standpoint, the Legion 5 features an elegant all-black aesthetic that looks clean, professional, and refined. The top lid is constructed from lightweight aluminum stamping with an anodized finish, while the main body is made of a rigid, high-quality composite material. The physical engineering is incredibly solid with minimal chassis flex, yet the laptop remains impressively portable, weighing in at just 4.19 pounds. The keyboard is another massive standout feature. It utilizes Lenovo's legendary full-size layout, complete with a dedicated numeric keypad and large, comfortable arrow keys. Typing delivers a highly tactile, satisfying click with excellent key travel distance. It also features a fully customizable 24-zone RGB backlight, allowing you to personalize the color theme or keep it clean and understated for a professional workspace. Connectivity is fully future-proofed on this machine. You get built-in support for next-generation wireless networking with 2x2 Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, alongside a physical gigabit local area network port for low-latency, wired connections. The peripheral port layout is exceptionally generous, offering multiple high-speed USB-A ports, 2 versatile USB-C ports with display output capability, and a full HDMI 2.1 output that supports high-resolution external monitors. There is even a physical electronic shutter switch on the side of the chassis to completely disable the built-in webcam for instant privacy. If you are hunting for an absolute powerhouse upgrade this Prime Day, the Lenovo Legion 5 delivers an unbeatable combination of top-tier Intel Core i9 processing, next-generation RTX 5070 graphics, and a truly magnificent OLED display that handles elite gaming and creative workflows flawlessly.